Hi, I'm Yami Gautam, and you're watching me in Hot Your.
Well, we all know she's got lovely skin, but do we know she's got lovely hair? Of course she has. Yami, tell me what's the secret behind your lovely locks here?
Well, it is Pantene, the new improved Pantene. No, really, honestly, I think as an actor, it involves us. It requires us to really travel a lot, extensively, and be exposed to different extreme temperatures and hard water and all those regular problems which any girl can face, and especially all the more important for us to maintain because you know why. And so that's where we have the new Pantene, where it's got some new KDBs which take care of the keratin in the hair, which get really affected by the copper in the hard water and all. So that's how I came on board. They gave me this challenge, the 14-day hair day challenge, where I used it, and after the 5th and 7th wash, I realized okay, it's working. It works, and the hair fall was definitely got reduced.
Did you have fun today doing the dare right in front of the press here and everyone else?
Yeah, I think it was fun judging it. I was not doing anything, but
because of course your hair's toned, you can't really spoil your hair today.
Yeah, you can take that also. I don't want to do that, and but yeah, jokes apart, I think it was absolutely fun. I think very rarely that do we get to see such activities, on such platforms, and it was absolutely fun.
And Yami, how often do you go for a hair spa or hair oiling or anything else as such?
I love hair oiling. I prefer that over a hair spa personally. But Pantene in fact has come up with an intensive mask which you can even use it at home. So it's kind of a home spa. So which is I've used it also before the shoot. We did use it and it's pretty nice. But apart from that, yeah, I do hair oiling and some natural remedies and all, which I think I try at least as much as I can.
What's your beauty regime like in terms of your total, because health is very important as well when we talk about hair, skin, everything involves. So what else do you do? Because, after shoots, you remove your makeup. What kind of products? I'm sure our viewers would want to know, what's the secret behind your skin and hair?
I use very basic products. I run away from too much fancy things happening around. And yeah, it's very important, first of all, to know your skin type really well. Like, I know I have a very sensitive skin, and so I take care of my food, which is not that spicy. I keep my body hydrated, and your regime before hitting the bed is very important. I make sure I remove the makeup properly with a good remover, and I use very water-based products which have minimum chemicals, cleanse it, tone it, and moisturize it really heavily. So
I think that's very important, and all you viewers, you're getting a tip from Yami Gautam herself. Thank you so much, Yami, for talking to us.